there. The testing site at the fairgrounds, we did a training session there today. Kudos, as you said, to Mila and Sam and the health department and everybody who's been down there. We wanted to try to break it, and
You mean you wanted to try to break the system that
Yes,
we had set up
yeah.
by bringing people through,
Yes.
vaccinating, and find out where the flaws are. So when this site opens on Monday, and it's going to open on Monday, and you can go on right now if you make sure you're signed up to be contacted, and those who have been contacted are signing up to be part of the first
You
group
have to
on
have an
Monday.
appointment.
You have to have an appointment. You can't just
show
drive.
up, because if you do, you're not. And if we had the unlimited vaccine, yes, then anybody wants to show up. But we have to be able to pre-schedule this, and that's what's been going on today. So a lot of people have been getting phone calls and emails today. The call center that we set up has been busy confirming that. So if you are one of those that above the age of 75,
75 and above.
that will be scheduled for Monday. When you come there, you'll see the work that we've been talking about for the last week and a half that we've been working on to get this mass site set up with the National Guard, the health department.
But this isn't just about one day.
No.
This will be a 6-day-a-week site, and so depending upon the amount of vaccine, and we believe we have enough vaccine to get us through next week, and the goal is 1,000 people a day. The first day, we're starting a little shy of that, just to make sure that when we bring that large quantity of people through, we can handle that, and then we're going to ramp up with our partners from the National Guard.
Hospitals.
The hospitals, for sure, and we're so appreciative of our state representatives and state senators who are just doing a great job for us. They're really all pulling in the same. We're all pulling in the same direction. Team St. Clair is going to deliver the first mass vaccination site in Southern Illinois, certainly maybe even in Central or Southern Illinois, and it's going to be operational. Matter of fact, it was operational today for a small group to try to break the system. And by the way, made a few changes, and it worked.
And that's what we wanted to do. We wanted to work those bugs out of it, so when we open up Monday, it's a smooth transition. So one of the most important things, and we say this every day, if you haven't went on to either the EMA page here on Facebook and pre-registered your interest, or on the county health department's page, or on the county webpage, you need to do that, because as of today, 53,055 citizens have signed up for that. So please tell your friends, your families, get on there, because that's how you're going to be notified when we have that surplus of vaccine, the extra amount that we will be notifying those who have signed up. You have to have an appointment. I can't stress that. We've worked with the St. Clair County Transit District. So we're covering all the bases. And Brian, we've been down there all day. We're going back down when we get through here.
Absolutely. And one thing that I want to stress, something I know they've heard a lot in the call center today, is I am 75 or above. I am signed up, but I haven't got notified yet. That's because they are notifying based on the limited amount of vaccine they have. They're taking the ones as they've signed up in order, and if we have 1,000 doses, they're taking 1,000 over 75, and we have over 9,000 in that category, just 75 or older, that they're working through. So it's not that you were forgotten, it's just we're working through to get there. I saw a question on the feed earlier today that someone's parents got a call from Belleville Memorial. We are working with our partners at Memorial Hospital, HSHS, Southern Illinois Healthcare Foundation, and Touche, also sharing that list with them. So it is possible that you might not get called or notified to come to the fairgrounds. It could be St. Elizabeth's Hospital. It could be Belleville Memorial. Follow those instructions they give you, and that's going to be your earliest opportunity to sign up for that appointment.
And you still, Walgreens is available to sign up there too. The vaccine comes to the health department, and we distribute that throughout all our partners. Southern Illinois Healthcare Foundation and Memorial and St. Elizabeth's, they get these doses, and we then distribute it. Nobody's sitting on it. The idea is to get needles in arms, and that's what we're doing. And also, I've heard a couple people say, well, how about people that are not computer savvy? Are they going to be able to be notified and sign up? And we've made provision for them. They'll be called on their phone, on their landline, if that's what they have, and then someone will help them to sign up. I heard a number of operators today that are working out of this building that are so caring and so kind and working just to get people signed up and get them inoculated. That's the key. The key is just to bring this community together and let's get these vaccines out.